In the following video we are going to see what a point is, what a line is, and a series of concepts related to points and lines. Let us begin with the concept of point. A point, technically speaking and in technical drawing, is a non-dimensional element, which means that it hasn't got length, nor width, nor height, and it marks a completely precise location. However, when drawing it, the only way for properly depicting a point is as the place where two lines meet. This way, by drawing these two lines that intersect, the place where both of them meet is a point, as it should be depicted. Points are always named using capital letters, for example, P. So, when we want to draw a point, we will never do it this way, barely drawing a spot, nor this way, drawing a white blur, nor drawing some sort of circumference, nor any other way that isn't two intersecting lines. Besides, I repeat, it has to be named using capital letters. Let us see now what a line is. A line is an infinite succession of points, one adjacent another. Or, in other words, a line is the drawing generated by a point that moves. A line is infinite, without a beginning or an end. And, at the same time, a line has only got length. It doesn't have any width nor height. We are always naming lines using minuscule letters like R. In technical drawing, we are always going to use four types of lines. A straight line is the line whose points are aligned in the same direction, like this line A. A curved line is the line where the point that generates it changes its direction, like this line B. A broken line is the line composed of sections of straight lines, like this line C. And last, a mixed line is the line that is formed by sections of straight and curved lines at the same time, like this line D. Focusing now on the straight line, that is, the infinite series of points that go along the same direction, we get two more figures. The semi-straight line is a line that has a boundary or vertex on one side and is infinite on the other. If, on this line B, we indicate a point B, we are depicting a semi-straight line because it is bounded on this side by point B and it is infinite on the other side. So, if on a straight line, like on line C, we draw a point, like this point C, the straight line gets automatically divided into two semi-straight lines, being each of them the part of the straight line bounded on one side by point C and being infinite on the other side. And the other figure, a very important one in technical drawing, is the line segment. A line segment is the portion of the straight line bounded by 2 points. On this straight line D, which is infinite, the portion of it that is between points P and Q is a line segment. The most common way of depicting a line segment is as shown on line segment HJ. It is a line segment because it is the portion of a straight line that is bounded by 2 points, H and J. We can also classify the straight lines, and therefore the semi-straight lines and the line segments, according to its slope. A horizontal straight line is the one that runs from left to right, or, in other words, that is parallel to the horizon. So it has 0 slope value. A vertical straight line is the one that runs from up to down. It is perpendicular to the horizon and to the horizontal line, and its slope is at its maximum. It has infinite slope value. Last, the oblique straight line, also called diagonal or slanting, is the line that is not horizontal nor vertical, so it has slope.